Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is rialadz. I'm just going to let you know who I am, a bit about me, not much, and what to expect in the coming videos, why I'm starting my YouTube channel, what it's going to be about, and the reason as to why I decided to go with such a concept. As I said before, my name is rialadz, but I'm also known as Maria. I'm aged 25. I'm currently a working professional, and I'm going to be doing this in the meantime. I've had this idea of doing this channel for a very long time, and I had like the biggest fear in regards to doing this channel, and I don't really know why, but I just feel like I wasn't ready to face some home truths. I wasn't fully ready to deal with it and hear me say it out loud. So I kept making promises, and I just never fell through with it. So now I feel like God has spoken to me, and He's been trying to tell me to do this for a while, and I've been ignoring it, should I say. And I feel like it's just time for me to get it over and done with and help some people out there. The concept of the channel is a journey with a survivor still surviving. That will be me, and hopefully others that will join my journey with me later on. So I am a survivor of cancer. I was diagnosed with Hodgkin's lymphoma about 2 years ago, should I say? Yeah, about 2 years ago. Yeah, I was 23, 2 years ago. And I was diagnosed with stage 4 Hodgkin's lymphoma. Now for those of you that don't know, that's literally, we'll say the final stage of Hodgkin's lymphoma. Of course I didn't know. And how I found out was, I think about a year before I got diagnosed, I was dealing with stomach issues. So it would be a situation where basically anything oily that I ate or anything sweet, anything basically my stomach decided that it's not going to take that week, it wouldn't handle it, I'll be throwing up ridiculously. I had to go to doctors constantly, had to go to A&E constantly, and it got to a point where I was scared to eat anything. So I changed my diet drastically. No fatty foods, no sweets, no fizzy drinks, no juice. I went to the extreme. I don't even think most people that do diet even was eating the way that I was eating at that point. And then because of that, I lost drastic weight. So during that time, everyone was saying to me, "Oh, Marie, you've lost weight, Marie, you've lost weight." I'm like, "Oh yeah, it's my stomach issue, it's my stomach issue." Cool. It then gets to about 6 months before I get diagnosed. I started having severe chest pains and what I thought was a chest infection. So I was coughing all the time, and I would go to work and be coughing, and then one of the ladies at my workplace, I remember, she told me, she's like, "Marie, you need to go and get this checked out, like, not to scare you, but it could be something serious." So I would just listen to her. I was like, yeah. I'll go and get it checked out. Didn't go and get it checked out. As us young people do, we don't like to go to doctors. So I left it. I was like, I don't really care for it at the moment. It's not that severe. Like, I'm coughing, cool, but I can handle it. It got to a point that I remember I went to work, and I was in a night shift. This is my old work. I was in a night shift, and I was coughing like I couldn't handle it. I couldn't breathe. Anytime I coughed, it will last for about 2 minutes. Like, that's constant coughing, like, and then it will get to a point where I want to throw up. So because of that, I got sent home. So now my mum was like, it's getting out of hand now, I need to go to the GP. So I went to the GP. Even before that, I went to the GP. I just remembered, I went to the GP, he gave me a pump, an asthma pump. He was like, "Use this." Tried it, didn't work. went back, gave me another asthma pump, and he also gave me a letter for a referral to St. Mary's to do a chest x-ray, and he was like, only do this if it continues to be severe. Mothers being mothers, she was like, I'm not going to wait for that. What we're going to do is we're going to go do the checks. If everything's fine, at least we know and we're 100% sure. So I was like, fine. I went for my checks, got there, did the checks, and then we found out that there was like a black shadow surrounding my heart at that point. So the doctors were somehow frantic at that point. They were running up and down, running up and down. Then they said for me to come back to do a better x-ray. Came back, and then that's when they saw that I had lymph nodes all around my chest, to the point that it started to surround my heart. They said that it could either be two things, either cancer or something else. I can't remember what they said, but at that point, when they said cancer, I was with my mum and my two sisters, and they literally shut down. They wasn't listening anymore, so I had to take the responsibility of taking in the information that the doctors were giving me. So they was like, yeah, could be this, could be that. Fine. I went to do a test that basically confirmed it. I had Hodgkin's lymphoma, stage 4, and I'll go into how I dealt with it completely in another video, and my journey through me being treated and how I dealt with it after in my other videos. Now, the reason why I started this channel is because during my time of dealing with cancer, at that point I was like super tuned in with YouTube, and I was always on YouTube, and I was always watching these YouTubers and bloggers, sorry, doing makeup and lifestyle and vlogging, and that was kind of my escape from what was going on. But even though I wanted that escape, I also wanted someone that I could relate with, someone that was going through me, that was going through the exact same situation as me, that could basically let me know how they dealt with it, what they had to do, like basically everything I needed help with at that point I wanted to see on YouTube, because that's what I was using at the time. And as I was searching, there wasn't really that much videos on cancer. Now I know it's a sensitive topic, but I just feel like there should be some focus on it, because unfortunately at this moment in time in life, and there's a lot of people in our generation that's going through it, and we don't even know. Like, a lot of people did not know that I was going through cancer. Like, there's a lot of people going through this and we don't know, and no one's really reaching out to them, and no one's really trying to tell them how it was for them and their experience and what they did and what they didn't do. And I just thought, you know what, I'm going to use this to help other people. Now, at the time that I was going through the treatment, I was supposed to do it live. I was supposed to show you from the beginning, when I got diagnosed, to when I started my treatment, to when I started losing my hair, to when I started putting weight back on, to when I was going through pain, and all of that, to make it real. But even though I did a bit of videos here and there, I just still couldn't bring myself to do it, because I wasn't, in my opinion at that point, strong enough. So I just feel like it's time that someone comes out and speaks to those that are going through any type of health issue. It may not have to be cancer, but anything that has been detrimental to your way of living, and you're finding it hard to cope with. Maybe what I'm saying can also apply to you. Now, I'm not going to try and make this channel all about diseases and health issues and all of that. I'm not going to try not to make it, sorry, depressing, should we say. But I will try and give you some tips on how to deal with your health issue, and still trying to be yourself, but also trying to better yourself. What I did that was right, what I did that was wrong. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. And just to say, if you are going through the same situation that I went through, or you know someone that's going through the same situation, or you've been through it, you just want to talk to someone other than your friends and your family, please contact me. I'm going to leave all my socials below, including my email. You can contact me however you like, whenever you like, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. I'm all ears. Also, please make sure you subscribe and like and share the video, just so that everyone gets to see that there's actually people out there that's trying to help with current situations. Now, make sure to stay tuned. I've got videos in regards to who I was during the treatment, who I was after the treatment, steps on how to survive, keeping it cute and keeping it flirty during your treatment, and hopefully I'll have some guests on my channel in regards to their own situations and how they dealt with it, and other tips. So yeah, stay tuned. Ciao.